This is going to be a video of this 52-inch SMC Park Avenue ceiling fan. I'm not sure if it's Park Avenue 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, so if anybody knows, let me know in the comments down below, and I will edit the video title accordingly. Basically, you guys know the drill by now. Former coworker of mine gave this to me. He was the original owner and didn't need it anymore. 5 blades, 3-speed, electrically reversible, and this time it has a schoolhouse light kit on it. Now that light kit is not original to this fan. That is an aftermarket Harbor Breeze light kit that I put on here that I think looks good to the fan. So here's the light, and I am using a 60-watt incandescent ceiling fan light bulb in there. And this particular ceiling fan was made in January of 1988. And the blades are reversible from cane to plain oak on top. I'm going to turn that off, and I'm going to start with the low speed. Low speed on this fan is pretty good, but it does have a lot of a bearing noise for some reason. I don't know if that's because they're stiff due to lack of lubrication, or that there's no insulating materials in this testing rig. Here's the light. Here is medium. Now, medium speed is where the bearing and vibration issues tend to pick up the most for some reason. And medium speed moves a good breeze. There's the light again. And high. Now, high speed is insane. This thing moves tons and tons of air. I wouldn't mind using this thing in my bedroom if it didn't make so much noise, like bearing wise. Here's the light. And off. Well, there you have it. This has been a video of this 52-inch SMC Park Avenue ceiling fan with the schoolhouse light kit. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, favorite, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.